I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Goodreads. For that, first of all, open up your Goodreads app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can sign up with Facebook, Amazon or email. For now, I'm going to show you how to sign up with email. So tap on it. Enter your name and your email address. Then set a password. Then tap on the small square box in front of "I'm not a robot" and solve the puzzle to verify you are a human. When you're done, tap on sign up. After that, re-enter your password to confirm it and then tap on login. Now you'll need to enter how many books you want to read in 2021. Select your favorite genre. Then tap on next. Now you'll have to select the books you want to read. Goodreads will now recommend you some books based on what you have selected before. You can also follow your favorite author, top reviewers, and other influencer readers. If you want to follow them, tap on follow, and when you're done, tap on finish, which is on bottom right of your screen. A pop-up message will appear on your screen instructing you on how to use Google Read shelves to keep track of what you have read and what you want to read. This way you can sign up on Goodreads. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.